Hi and welcome to Tech Talks YouTube channel, and I'm your host, SSB, and on this channel we explore the latest in technology and how it's shaping our world. In today's episode, we'll be discussing what AI is, how it works, and some of the potential risks and benefits of using AI. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just curious about the latest gadgets and innovations, we've got you covered. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of tech in this video. But before we dive in, let's first define exactly what we mean by artificial intelligence. AI, or artificial intelligence, refers to the ability of computers and machines to perform tasks that would typically require human intelligence, such as understanding language, learning from data, and problem solving. There are several different types of AI, including narrow or weak AI, which is designed to perform a specific task, and general or strong AI, which is capable of learning and adapting to new tasks. Now, how does AI actually work? Essentially, AI systems are trained on vast amounts of data and use algorithms to analyze that data and make decisions or predictions based on that analysis. This process is known as machine learning. There are many potential benefits to using AI. For example, AI can increase efficiency and productivity by automating tasks that would otherwise be performed by humans. It can also improve decision-making by analyzing large amounts of data and providing insights that might not be immediately apparent to a human. Additionally, AI can enable the development of new and innovative technologies, such as self-driving cars or personalized healthcare. However, there is also a potential for AI to be dangerous. First, take a look at this.
I'm not normally an advocate of regulation and oversight. I mean, I think one should generally err on the side of minimizing those things. But this is a case where you have a very serious danger to the public. And therefore, there needs to be a public body that has insight and then oversight on to confirm that everyone is developing AI safely. This is extremely important. I think the danger of AI is much greater than the danger of nuclear warheads by a lot. And nobody would suggest that we allow anyone to just build nuclear warheads if they want. That would be insane. And mark my words, AI is far more dangerous than nukes. Far. So why do we have no regulatory oversight?
This was a scene from an interview by Elon Musk. Most of you might already know him, but for those who don't know, he is the only one who is behind one of the biggest AI-related projects, like self-driving in Tesla cars to newly launched ChatGPT and many more. And for all those who don't know, then the links are in description with the list. One concern is that AI could become too powerful and surpass human intelligence, leading to unforeseen and potentially negative consequences. For example, if an AI system were to make decisions that prioritize efficiency over human safety, it could lead to accidents or harm to people. Another concern is that AI could be used for malicious purposes, such as creating fake news or manipulating information. There is also the risk of biased AI, where the algorithms and data used to train the AI system are biased, leading to unfair or discriminatory outcomes. It is important to carefully consider the potential risks and consequences of using AI and to work towards developing responsible and ethically aligned AI systems. This may involve setting up ethical guidelines and oversight committees to ensure that AI is being developed and used in a way that is fair and beneficial to society. Like our sponsor for this video, Peer to Profit.
You should give it a try too.
Yes, you can earn up to $40 per month just by installing on your single device, and more the devices and more the profit. Just sign up using the link below in the description and you'll get a bonus $1 in your wallet. And the best part is it doesn't even use much data, it just uses around 200 to 400 MB of mobile data, and it doesn't even affect the performance of the device, so you can also download it in your mobile device and just sign up like any other app and you'll be able to earn your passive income effortlessly, and it's available in all countries. Now back to the topic. It's also worth noting that AI is still a rapidly evolving field, and it's difficult to predict exactly how it will develop in the future. However, by being aware of the potential risks and benefits of AI and working towards responsible development and use, we can help ensure that AI has a positive impact on society. However, if you liked the video, then hit the like button, or if you disliked it, then hit the dislike button, but let us know about your thoughts on AI. And I'll be replying to all of your comments. And also don't forget to subscribe to Tech Talks for more such informative video. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.